A very good morning to all my dear students. So as I told you that we are going to start the new topic, which is cone. Okay, so this is the diagram of a cone. Actually cone is a three-dimensional figure, but here you can see I have tried to draw it on the two dimension. Paper is two dimension, so it has total three dimensions. Okay, this one is the radius. जो cone है, it is made when you are just rotating a triangle. तो उसके base में एक circle बनता है. So the circle is the base and its radius is taken as r. And circle के center से when you are combining a line perpendicular you are constructing and it is joining with the vertex of the cone, it is called height, the normal height, which is h. And this slant one, okay, this one is the L and it is called slant height. So you can see the denotions are: r is the radius of cone, h is the height of cone, and L is slant height of the cone. Now for calculating L, you have a formula which is r square plus h square, because you can see that this is a right angled triangle and you can use Pythagoras theorem over here to write the equation for L. So L is r square plus h square. Now as we have studied about the CSA and TSA of cylinder, cuboid and cube, similarly you have curved surface area of cone also. So curved surface area means when you are just talking about the lateral one. Okay, curved surface जो है cone का, उसका surface area when you are calculating, it will be pi r L. And when you are adding the base area, okay, the base of the cone is circle, so when you are adding the area of that circle to this CSA, it will become the TSA, total surface area. Okay, so this you can see, this is basically pi r L, okay, plus pi r square. So you can take pi and r common and L plus r will be inside the bracket. Okay, so this is the formula, pi r into r plus L. So this is the formula for total surface area and area of the base ring. Now when we are talking about the base ring, that means you have a inside also you have a cone, or you can say this is an empty cone. So it will be having two radii. One will be external radius represented by capital R. One will be internal, which will be denoted by small r. So the formula will be pi into r square minus r square. And area of the base is pi r square because that is a circle. So these are the basic things about the cone. And now we are going to solve the first question of exercise 13.3, which is very simple. So you can see the first question is the diameter of the base of the cone is 10.5 centimeter. So obviously its radius will be half of that. Okay, so I am not finding the value, and it's my suggestion to all of you also, don't simplify this one because afterwards आपने इसे cancel ही करना है, so that don't waste your time in calculating these things. Then slant height is L, which is given 10 centimeter. Now you have to find out CSA. The formula is pi rl. Just put the value, and similar to cylinder also, by default the value of pi will be 22/7. R was 10.5/2 into 10. Okay, so the answer will be 165, and here you have to do the cancellations, and then the answer will be 165 centimeter square. So this is the CSA of the cone, which was having diameter 10.5 and radius, slant height 10. Okay, so this, now we'll see the next question. Now in the next question, second question is for homework. Now third question, it is given that radius of the cone, it is not given to us. You have to calculate the radius. Slant height, that means L. So this is L. Okay, 14 centimeter is L, and CSA is given to you this time. CSA is 308 centimeter. You can see over here. Then you just write the formula of CSA, which is pi RL, which is 308. और इसमें जो भी आपके पास वैल्यूज़ हैं, just put those values in this equation, which is 22/7 into r. Radius की value you don't know, so write r over there, into 14 is equal to 308. So radius will be, just simplify, and radius will be 7 centimeter. So radius of the base of cone is 7 centimeter, and using this you have to find out total surface area. Okay, so total surface area is pi r into r plus L. Now you know r, and L was already given to you 14. So just use the value 22/7 into 7 plus 14. So the answer will be 462 centimeters square. Okay, so this is the TSA of the given cone. So I hope all of you are getting how to solve these sums. Just formula सबसे important है. You should know how to calculate CSA, how to calculate TSA, what is the formula for slant height. Now question number 4, that is the last question for today. We are doing that a conical tent is there. Its radius is 24 centimeter and height is 10 meter. Sorry, radius was 24 meters and height is also 10 meters. So first of all you have to calculate slant height. So you know the formula for slant height is r square plus h square whole square. So it will be 24 whole square plus 10 square. Okay, that is 576 plus 100 will give you 676 and its square root is 26. So please this is compulsory, you can say, learn the squares and cubes till 30 so that you can orally do all these things. Okay, and it will just save your timing also. So the slant height is 26 meters. Understood? Now using this slant height and radius is already given to you 24, just calculate CSA, curved surface area, which is pi RL. So just put the value 22 upon 7 into 24 into 26. Now it's your option whether you are calculating this over here and writing the answer. I'm not doing so. It is given that for making that tent, okay, that conical tent, what is given? Canvas is used. So how much canvas is used? So obviously tent का base तो बनाना नहीं है, सिर्फ उसका CSA बनाना है. So 70 rupees is given per meter square. Okay, so this CSA you have to multiply with 70. Okay, now you will just simplify and the answer is 1,37,280 rupees. So this much is the amount of cost. Okay, it is the amount of canvas, cost of canvas for making the tent, making the conical tent. So this is all for today. So complete this exercise 13.3 till question number 4. Thank you.